very much Somana. Now I would like to welcome on stage the President of Bharati Students' Union of Finland, Mr. Heram Kulkarni, who has also been very actively leading us prepare this event. Heram will say thanks and listen carefully, because there will be few instructions, practical instructions about the follow-up of this event.
Namaste, Morris. So I hope that you enjoyed this evening, and we are towards the end of this program. But till now, the BSUF, Saptakam, Somana, and the Bharatanatyam was being played, and it was a dance performance. And now we want something from you. Now you are the performers, and we will see you. And that's what we call it as a Holi. We will play colors. Before that, there is a small thing we can have. Those who are interested in playing colors, they can definitely, we will form groups and we will take them outside and we will play the colors. But those who are not interested in getting colored, they will get, or everybody who are getting exited from both the doors while going out, you will get a small mark on your forehead. Now it is your wish. If you wish, you can take it. If you don't wish, then you can say thank you, and then you can continue with that. Why this is required? The reason is very obvious, that when we came here, we heard a couple of may not be correct things. One of which was the caste mark or caste mark, and that's we call it as a tilak. But in fact, the reality is not that. It's not a caste mark. It's applied by all Indian ladies across all the stages, across all the areas, and it does not depend on any class or level. So, and it has some medicinal benefits as well. So it's a blessing and greetings of auspiciousness, and it invokes the sanctity. So it has spiritual meaning. At the same time, when the entire body emanates the energy in the form of electromagnetic waves, and the forehead, so this is the subtle part from which the energy gets emitted, and if we put sympathizers, some coolant over here, then that's the best. That's the idea behind this originally. So you will get it. Please enjoy that, or you can say thanks, and the volunteers will not apply. Now the next important part is, when we go out, you will get the food coupons of for the event. Today evening we will have the Holi special dinner at hotel or the Ravintula, Kathmandu. They are our official sponsors, and so you can be able to enjoy it. So the offer for the dinner is Kasvis vegetarian, and the menu will be displayed on the mark, and it is very much in the city center custom store. Then, as a part of this is very, as you know that this is a quite big thing to do the events like this, and many more people are involved in this. So it's, as a president of BSUF, it's my duty to say thank to all of you first, to all the spectators with an excellent spectatorship, and you encouraged us a lot. So first of all, clap for you. I would like to thank our chief guest, Mrs. Sirpu Hiltunen, for inspiring speech, and we are looking forward for many such events, and we will come there as a group, and at the same time we will be able to collaborate with other groups as well as, so we can see that we are in the process of collaborating with the many more student union as well. Thank you. Our special thanks to the Rasmus team of Week Against Racism, and they have helped us quite a lot, and the most important, the Tampere City Cultural Office has helped us for arranging this event. So thank you very much. Tampere City is one of the most important sponsors of this event, along with Ravintula Kathmandu. We also extend our special thanks to all the performers who did on the stage, to Saptakam group members, to the Miss Anne Oyala who came from Helsinki to perform over here, and it was a pleasant to see her here. It's excellent, so I was astonished to see her. And also the Somana group, the most important. So we are in touch with Somana group for quite a long time. So they are our friends, so they are not separate. They are part of our own family of BSUF and Saptakam together. We thank the representative from the media. So this event has been covered by Amulati, and at the same time there was a coverage in Yule Tamparan Radio. So we thank for that as well. We thank to the management of Sampola School, and at the same time we thank to the Janne Hitanen and Aki who are there on the back end. Because of them we could hear and we can see these lights. So excellent thanks to them. At the same time, special thanks to Katri Suhan and Tamu Secretary and Sanila who helped us to get some basic things in place. Now, the most important part from our side is that as this event has been organized by many volunteers and many organizers, these are the names which are there, who are there. I will read the names. May I request those who are in the audience from this list, just stand up and say Namaste. So there are Venkat, who is there in the light and he is arranging the light. Venkat, please come out and just say Namaste to everybody. Harish is here. Those who are in the wing, just come out and say Namaste. Harish, Kiran, Sanjeev, Shriram, Shirin, Rashekar. Rashekar is the guy who did the video. He is there in the back. Shriram is the guy who did this multimedia presentation, everything. Then Ajay, Mayank, Anu, the most important part, she is the anchor of the show and she did it. She is again a part of our family itself. Then Tejal, Mari, Shalaka, Sohini, Dipesh, Shah, Shezaman, Veena, Nirmal, Ravi Bompada, Jagveer, Kajal, Parikshit, Rakesh, Sujit, Sumit, Nikhil, Parul, Rupali, Gururaj, Sharon and Soham. So just give them a big hand because of them. We thank you all for your support, and there may be some names which I might have missed. Sorry for that, but everybody who are directly or indirectly involved with this event, we thank you. Namaste very much. Now there are some practical instructions. After that we are done. Now you are the performer. You will perform the Holi. Now there are some practical instructions for that. So those who are interested, they can play. Rest, they can watch. The colors which were given by the volunteers, we will have 5 volunteers, those who will come on stage after some time. These are the colors which are bio-friendly and kids in Payokoti play it. We bought it from the Timari store. So it's not hazardous and even kids play it and it's proven. However, this event is not covered by any insurance, so please play at your own risk, so color at own risk. The concept of playing Holi is not to color your own face, but to color the face of your friend or anybody who don't know. The reason is, as Anu told earlier, that this is a basic concept to make a friendship by coloring others, to dilute the differences between us, to dilute the ego which we are having, and just make friends of everyone. Once we have a color on our face, then we cannot be able to identify each other with our name or with our job position or not even with the nationality, skin color. So this is a pure equality which we are planning, which we are bringing with this Holi event. So we will play in approximately, we have around 150 plus audience, 175 plus audience. So those who are interested, we will have 5 groups. May I request 5 anchors of this event, Venkat, Nikhil, Sagar, Dipesh and Kiran to come on stage. These are your anchors. We will, for 5 groups of the total audience, and each one group, maybe one in this part of the area. Those who are interested, they can go with Kiran. Kiran, please raise your hand. So he is your leader or anchor. Then those who are in the back, we will have 2 parts in there because there is a lot of crowd. Then Nikhil and Sagar will take care of them. Nikhil, please wave your hand. Sagar. And okay, Sagar is not there, but Dipesh and Jagbir. Sorry, Jagbir. So those who are in the back will go with the Dipesh, and those who are in the front will go with the Jagbir. So, and Venkat, are you? So excellent. So these are your leaders. Please follow their instructions and enjoy the Holi. And these are the colors. Just be a kid for some time and just get color. That's the only thing. Thank you very much. Namaste.
Tuhannet kiitokset kaikille myös minun puolesta. Minä hyvin lyhyesti käännän perusasiat, mitä Heram äsken sanoi. Eli meillä, kun menette ulos ovesta, teille tehdään, jos haluatte, voitte ottaa otsaan sellaisen tilamerkin. Ja me menemme ulos ja 5 ryhmään. Ja ne värit, mitä me käytetään, on erittäin ympäristöystävällisiä. Ja myös lapset käyttää niitä päiväkodissa. Mutta muistakaa, että tämä Holi, se peli leikki ulkona